welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Michelle. Today I have an ultimate disaster cleaning video. As you can see, my countertops are awful. My living room had been blown up. We are 2 weeks into the shelter in place here in my town. I do live in California, and the kids are home a lot more, so things are likely in the next few months to just get blown up like crazy. I am currently kind of working from home, but I don't really have to work from home. I am in aid in my local school district for special ed students. So besides getting packets together for the students to do, there's not much I can do from home. However, my husband is working. He works a graveyard shift, so he sleeps most of the time during the day and is at work all night. So our house gets super torn up super quick. So today I wanted to go ahead and take care of that.
Tonight we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah, we can go so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and
me. Now, another thing that definitely needed to be done was cleaning out our chicken and duck area. We did get chickens and ducks about a week ago, so they're about a week old now. They were only a few days old when we got them, and we are so obsessed with them. They are so cute. We do live in the city, so we didn't get very many. We got 2 ducks and 4 chickens, and we have to go out and clean out their pen every few days, especially when they're this little and in this small of a confined space. So my husband had just gone home from work, and we decided to go out and do that.
So far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me.
Now, we did take a break for lunch. We are trying to support local right now, so we went to a place called Mad Duck. It is one of our favorite restaurants to go to for date night and things like that. It is technically a craft brewery where they do all of their own brews, and we love them. The food is so good. I got a California burger, which was a burger with bacon, cheese, and avocado slices, which I did get on the side. That way I could reheat the rest of it without ruining the avocado. And my husband got a French dip, which is one of his go-tos at restaurants. And then we also got an order of buffalo chicken dip. They make the best buffalo chicken dip. And my husband got a growler of beer, and I did go ahead and get a mixed drink. It's one of those little things that we feel like we can do to try and help small businesses stay afloat during the closure of everything. After that, I went ahead and went into my daughter's room. I had gotten some storage baskets from IKEA, and they are the Scub, I think you call it. But I have all of these in my dresser. I used ones I got on Amazon, but it makes things so much easier to put away and clean up. I did have a load of laundry in the washing machine of my daughter's, so all of her clothes aren't in her dresser right now, so I'll probably add more as I add more of her clothes back in. But for now, I was super excited with the way this turned out.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you...
So another thing that had been on my to-do list to do for a while was changing out the knobs in my daughter's room. I had already done her desk one earlier in the day, and I did not record that. But then I thought about it, and I figured I would record it real quick for her dresser. We are switching all of her knobs to match, where they are the gold base with like the crystal knobs. She really likes it. We're doing more of like almost like a glam theme in her room, slowly but surely, and she really likes it. So we had bought these a while ago, but the screws were too long for her dresser. So we went ahead and went to Home Depot, and we got washers in order to put on the back of the screws so that all the knobs would fit in, and we love how it turned out.
I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head, someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like you're fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my
So I have come to realize in life that we are just messy cookers. So my stovetop was pretty nasty. I mean, it's only been about a week since I cleaned it out, but apparently I need to do it more often because it was looking pretty grimy. So I went ahead and wiped all of that down. I just used a multi-surface spray because most of it was pretty easily wipeable. We did have a pot of water boil over last week, so it was fairly easy to clean, and I went ahead and cleaned off all the grates too while they were off in the kitchen sink.
own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Nothing in life is good. Tired and misunderstood. I would fight if I could. If I believed I should. Okay, try to be brave. You have
Now, another thing that I wanted to make sure that I got done was going ahead and putting some of these hot dog buns into the freezer. We do freeze extra bread, and we had bought this pack from Costco, and before they started molding or went bad, I wanted to make sure that I did get them frozen. That way, whenever we do hot dogs, I can just pull them out of the freezer, and I know that we have buns and don't have to go out to stores searching for it.
not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting inside my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain. You're new to me. I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting inside my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain.
getting the living room picked up, I did go ahead and grab my Dyson and vacuumed up the floors. I only got this section of me vacuuming, but I did vacuum the entire living, dining, kitchen area. And then I grabbed my O-Cedar spin mop and gave the floors a good mop using some lemon pine sol.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go.
I cannot even begin to explain how excited I am that my house was finally cleaned. It was super late by this point. I was kind of lazy throughout the day and did this in spurts of, when I did have energy and between wrangling kids and all of that. But at the end of the day, I was able to go to bed with a clean house and wake up with it nice and clean in the morning. So we'll see how long that lasts, especially with the shelter in place. If you did like this video, go ahead and like this video. And if you are new, I would love to have you subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.